Ah yeah, what do you reckon of the vest there? It's an old thing. Doesn't fit us. It never has fitted us. It was given to us as a, well, basically someone cleared out the cupboard and thought I might want this down in the allotment. Which is good because it's got loads of pockets. Which is really handy for getting stuff in, like additional power packs. Another power pack. More power packs. Why do I need so many power packs? Well, in this pocket, I've got, in here, I've got cable to plug into the power packs. I've got the camera I'm videoing on. I've got this camera here. This is my Hero 6. So that's handy because it's waterproof. So if it's raining, I could at least do something there. I have my phone, which needs powering up every now and again. Nope, that's my wallet. What else do I have in here? Oh, yeah. I've got my Hero 8. Although it would have been waterproof, I put in the media mod. So I've got a mic on that, but that needs power. So that's a few things that can be powered. What else do I have in here? Oh, yep, I've got this, which is another power pack. So I'm definitely focused on power packs today. Where's that one gone? There. Big tape measure, always handy. Extension clip for the mic. I should be using it now because it's on stretch. Power set mode, you never know. And here I've got spare mic and another charging clip. So that's that pocket, that pocket, that pocket, that pocket, that pocket, this pocket, or lighter, this pocket here, this little pocket up here, which has another spare lighter, bad habit, never mind. And is that it? No, it's not, because I've got, behind here, a little tripod. This is for the cameras, if I want to step on a little table, I don't want it low down. And then I've also got this selfie stick tripod for my phone, if I wanted to use my phone. Then I've got another little tripod base. Gets a bit lower down than the other one, I think. Then I've got a similar thing to the phone, but except this is for the GoPros. Or I can use it with the camera that I've got on there. So that's tripod, selfie stick, and handle. And, well, one last thing. I have this one. So yeah, I can get a little bit in the pockets. One thing I don't put in the pockets is my keys, because I'll never find them.